Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon voucher. The first step is to locate your unique voucher code, which serves as your passport to adding funds to your Amazon account. This code is typically printed on the back of a physical gift card, often hidden under a scratch-off panel, or sent directly to your email for digital vouchers. Make sure you have this precise 15-digit code ready, as accurate input is essential. Having your code at hand ensures the next steps are smooth and efficient, preparing you for immediate shopping. Once you have your voucher code, open Amazon's website or app and find the gift cards section in your account menu. Look for the option to redeem a gift card or add to your balance. Here, you will carefully type or paste your unique 15-digit voucher code into the input box. Double-check for any typos before proceeding. After confirming, the voucher's value, for example, $25, will instantly be added to your Amazon account balance, ready for your next purchase. When you proceed to checkout on Amazon, your activated voucher balance will automatically apply to your order. You will see the deduction from your total before you finalize your purchase. For instance, if you have $30 in your balance and your order is $50, the balance will cover the first $30, leaving $20 left to pay. You can then choose another payment method, such as a credit card, to cover the remaining amount seamlessly. This makes using your voucher balance incredibly convenient and straightforward for all your shopping needs. To ensure a smooth experience, always check your voucher for any expiration dates or specific terms and conditions that might apply. While many Amazon vouchers do not expire, it is always wise to confirm. Keep your voucher code private and secure until you have successfully redeemed it to your account. If you encounter any difficulties during the redemption process, such as an invalid code or an error message, do not hesitate to contact Amazon customer service for prompt assistance. They are ready to help resolve any issues you might face, ensuring you can enjoy your shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.